In this video, we will talk about why AI is the greatest scam of the century, so make sure to watch the full video. AI is often hailed as the greatest innovation of the century, promising to revolutionize industries, improve lives, and solve complex global issues. But beneath the shiny promises lies a darker reality. From overhyped investment opportunities to biased algorithms, AI may not be the futuristic solution it's marketed to be. In fact, many argue that AI is the greatest scam of the century, with exaggerated claims, hidden agendas, and serious ethical concerns undermining its true potential. As we dive deeper into the world of AI, it's essential to question whether it's truly the breakthrough we've been led to believe. 1. AI's false promises. How the hype doesn't match reality. The rapid growth of AI has generated immense excitement, with promises of revolutionizing industries and improving lives. However, much of this hype is built on exaggerated expectations. AI technology is often presented as a miracle worker that can solve complex problems, but the reality is much less impressive. Many AI systems are still far from perfect, riddled with errors, bias, and limitations. The grand promises of an AI-driven utopia don't reflect the true state of the technology. As AI struggles to live up to its promises, those who have invested heavily in its future may find themselves disappointed. 2. The big AI investment lie. Why investors are being deceived. AI has become a hot investment trend, with billions of dollars funneled into AI startups and ventures. However, the truth behind these investments is more concerning than it seems. Many investors are being misled by companies claiming to offer cutting-edge AI solutions, only to discover that their products lack the capabilities promised. The rapid growth of the AI industry has led to inflated valuations, speculative investments, and a lack of transparency. Those who get caught up in the AI hype may be left holding the bag when these overhyped companies fail to deliver results, making AI one of the greatest scams of the century. 3. AI and the illusion of progress. Why it's not the future we were sold. AI is often portrayed as the key to solving humanity's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare. However, much of the progress in AI is nothing more than an illusion. While there have been impressive advancements in certain areas, many of the most ambitious AI projects are still years, if not decades, away from becoming viable solutions. Instead of delivering groundbreaking change, AI technologies are often being used to replicate basic tasks, offering minimal real-world impact. The truth is that AI is far from the futuristic solution it was marketed to be, making it a classic case of overhyped technology. 4. The AI bias problem. Why it's far from neutral and fair. One of the most glaring issues with AI is its tendency to perpetuate and even amplify bias. From facial recognition technology to hiring algorithms, AI systems often reflect the biases present in the data they are trained on. Instead of being the unbiased, neutral technology that was promised, AI often reinforces existing inequalities, creating systems that favor certain groups while disadvantaging others. The AI industry has yet to adequately address this issue, leaving many to question the fairness of AI solutions. This flaw exposes AI as a deeply flawed technology, further casting doubt on its supposed greatness. 5. AI's real agenda. How big corporations are using it to exploit you. While AI is marketed as a tool for improving efficiency and solving societal problems, in reality, it's often used as a means of exploitation. Big corporations are leveraging AI to maximize profits by cutting costs, automating jobs, and increasing surveillance. AI systems are designed to track consumer behavior, gather personal data, and target individuals with ads and products tailored to exploit their weaknesses. Instead of empowering individuals, AI is becoming a tool for corporations to exert more control over people, turning users into commodities. The supposed benefits of AI are often overshadowed by its dark side, making it feel more like a scam. 6. The job-killing myth. How AI won't create more jobs. It will take them. One of the most misleading claims about AI is its potential to create more jobs. The reality is that AI is more likely to replace jobs than create them. Automation is already eliminating roles in industries like manufacturing, retail, and customer service, and this trend is expected to accelerate. While new jobs may emerge in AI-related fields, these positions often require specialized skills that most workers don't possess. Rather than leading to a job-filled future, AI will likely lead to mass unemployment and wage inequality. The promise of job creation through AI is a misleading narrative designed to mask its negative impacts. 7. AI's privacy nightmare. How it's stealing your data and your identity. AI's development has raised serious concerns about privacy, with many AI systems collecting vast amounts of personal data. From social media platforms to AI-powered smart devices, your every move is being tracked and analyzed. The data collected by these systems is often sold to third parties or used to build detailed profiles without your knowledge or consent. With minimal regulations in place to protect users, AI's impact on privacy is a growing concern. The ability of AI to harvest personal information on such a massive scale makes it a privacy nightmare, further proving that AI is not the utopian technology it's claimed to be. 8. AI's environmental impact. The hidden cost of so-called progress. While AI is often touted as a solution to global challenges, its environmental impact is being overlooked. The process of training AI models requires immense computational power, which in turn demands vast amounts of energy. Data centers housing these AI systems contribute to increasing carbon emissions, making AI a significant contributor to climate change. Despite its promises of efficiency, AI's environmental cost is high, with little consideration given to sustainable development. The environmental impact of AI contradicts its portrayal as a clean, efficient technology, revealing another layer of the AI scam. 9. The AI development race. Who's really benefiting? As nations and corporations race to develop AI, it's clear that the benefits are concentrated in the hands of a few. The AI development process is heavily influenced by major tech companies and wealthy nations, which have the resources to build and deploy AI technologies at scale. The benefits of AI are not being equally distributed, leaving smaller nations and individuals behind. As a result, AI is reinforcing global inequalities rather than helping to bridge the gap. The rush to develop AI is driven more by economic power and political agendas than by genuine concern for the greater good. 10. The dehumanization of society. How AI is making us more isolated. AI may be marketed as a way to enhance human life, but in many ways, it's leading to the dehumanization of society. From AI-driven customer service to robotic caregivers, humans are increasingly replaced by machines. These technologies create a society where interpersonal connections are diminished, and individuals become more isolated. While AI may improve efficiency, it often does so at the cost of human interaction, making society colder and more detached. The AI-driven future we're headed towards is one where technology replaces the very essence of what makes us human, leading to a more disconnected, dehumanized world. AI, despite being sold as a groundbreaking force for good, is proving to be far from the revolutionary solution it was promised to be. From exaggerations in its capabilities to the hidden exploitation of data and labor, the reality of AI often contradicts its marketing. While it's clear that AI will continue to evolve, the industry's unchecked growth raises significant ethical, economic, and societal concerns. Instead of offering universal solutions, AI could leave many behind while enriching a select few. It's crucial to critically examine AI's true impact and question whether the promises are worth the risks. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.